Hello, my name is Cynthia Townsend, and I'm the Director of Education at the Tulsa Dream Center. And today I want to talk a little bit about the program Don't Be Scared by Dr. Ryan Johnson. So Don't Be Scared is one of our enrichment programs we have here at the Tulsa Dream Center. As many of you may know, we do academic support, but we also do enrichment support as well. And what that means for us is that we want to expose kids to as much as possible. So I had the pleasure of meeting Dr. Johnson earlier this year, right when I kind of stepped into the role and was planning out enrichments, and told me about his program, and we worked everything out with TRSA, and here we are now today toward the end, and it has been phenomenal, like really phenomenal. So Dr. Johnson is a chemistry professor by trade, by day, and that in itself has just been an amazing thing for our students to see. To see a person of color, a person that looks like themselves, and just to be able to see that in a positive light, to see what he's doing and all of that, and really to be introduced to chemistry and the STEM in such a unique way. Students will not always on an everyday basis have a chance to go to a lab, and so he brings the lab to us, like seriously. He brings in equipment, he stores it here, and he has the coolest experiments ever. So it's just been a real rich experience for our children. They've really enjoyed it. They really like him as a person. He's very good at what he does and connecting with children and youth of all ages across the gamut, because part of our enrichment, you serve different grades, and he has done that just very effectively. So we have totally enjoyed Don't Be Scared, and looking forward to the work we can do with them in the future.